Hey, Word Explorer! Let's learn verbs and adjectives, the power tools of awesome sentences. What's a verb? Action plus state. Verbs are doing or being words. Jump, laugh, run. Those are action verbs. You can see them happening. Is, feel, seem. Those are state or linking verbs. They tell you how someone is. Try it. In she dances and is happy, dances is action. Is linking. Got it? Easy.
Sprinkle in adjectives. Now, adjectives, they're the color of language. The dog barked, boring. Add adjectives, the fluffy, loud dog barked, way more fun. Adjectives describe nouns, size, color, feeling, make everything vivid.
Noun, adjective, magic trick. Here's a cool trick. Turn nouns into adjectives. Rain, rainy. Sun, sunny. Hero, heroic. Just add y, ick, or full. Boom! You've got describing power. Dream Bio Challenge. Time to be a superhero creator. Write a 2-sentence bio using 3 action verbs like zoomed, smashed, saved, 3 adjectives like fearless, sparkly, mega fast. Example: Captain Zoom zipped, zoomed, and saved the city. Brave, lightning fast, and totally awesome. Go make your own. Quick check-in. Is an action verb? Nope, it's a linking verb. Connects the subject to a description. Can you say faster and fastest? Yes, that's comparative superlative. Great job. You just unlocked verbs and adjectives like a grammar ninja. Go find them in books, games, even YouTube video captions. You'll see them everywhere now.